Hey folks, welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. Another exciting episode of Must See TV. You gotta check this one out. I repaired a trailer for a friend, neighbor, and she insisted on buying tires that were about 4 times too big. So our job today is to bolt these modified fenders on before the snowstorm comes. That's just the way it goes. Anyway, I probably won't do much video when I'm out there bolting them on, but I'll do a short video when they're on, if all goes well and I measured correctly. Yeah, so remember kids, it's the only channel that matters. Check this out, here's what I got. Templates, what's going on. Yeah, these should be able to bolt maybe 4 to 5 inches bigger up above the tire. Yeah, lots of extra work for somebody that was just trying to fix a trailer. And that's it for now.